So these are things I'm currently obsessed with, which I know is an annoying word, and I try not to do this video too often, maybe like once or twice a year, but these are very random, but really cool things that I use all the time. I'm so happy I found them. So if you're interested in any of it, it'll all be linked down below in the description box, and I'll also pin everything in the top comment. So this first thing is definitely not a new brand to my channel, but it is a new system. So it is Vegamore's Grow Plus Advanced System. I mean, you guys probably know if you watch my videos, I have been using Vegamore's Grow Hair Serum for years. It has completely transformed my hair, specifically my hairline. I mean, I've shown these before and after photos so many times. Like, this is what my hairline used to look like, and it's just completely better since using the hair serum along my hairline. However, this newly launched system, I'm gonna go over it. You don't need it all, but I do think all of the products work so well together to completely transform your scalp and then in turn dramatically reduce hair shedding. This is for extreme hair shedding. So if you want thicker, fuller looking hair, like for real, if you want to like actually transform your hair, like this is for you. So I will link Vegamore down below in the description box. I'll also have them in the top pinned comment, but they'll be linked under #1 along with my code you can use. It's just my name, Shea, for 20% off site-wide. So you can use that code for other things you may see that you might be interested in. But today I am going to go over the Grow Plus Advanced System, starting with the shampoo and conditioner, which is really kind of the foundation of just having a good scalp. Like, that's what you want, and then everything else can start to fall in place. But this shampoo and conditioner, first of all, I do just want to say I'm having a freaking good hair day, and I'm always trying out new shampoos and conditioners. Sometimes I'll recommend them to you. Sometimes there's so many that you'd never even see, but it truly just makes your hair look good. Like, let's just start there. But it has really cool ingredients like Spanish microalgae. It's gonna really balance out your scalp. Oh, niacinamide. That is such a cool ingredient. Like, my mom actually just takes niacinamide to like flush out her body. Like, this is such a cool ingredient to have in your shampoo for your scalp specifically. Basically, good hair starts at the root. And also, let's just throw out some actual numbers. So after the first use of this shampoo and conditioner, you will reduce your hair breakage by 75% after one use. Let's move on to the Derma Roller, which, by the way, all of these products were dermatologist co-developed, because if you think about it, like a Derma Roller, most people think of for their skin. There are tiny, 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 tiny little needles here, which sounds scary. It does not hurt, but this is what you're gonna do. You can do it after the shower. You can do it on wet or dry hair. I always try to do it at night because that's when I use the hair serums. That you wanna do this together. Starting out, do it like maybe once or twice a week and then work up to daily use. You wanna spray this with like an alcohol-based cleaner just to disinfect anything, and then you're gonna go in sections on your head, 5 times horizontally, 5 times vertically, and just go over any of your problem areas, like all on your scalp. I definitely focus more on my hairline. You could go on the top, just wherever you think, and it's just going to really make the hair serum work better, penetrate way better. And then we have the Grow Plus Advanced Hair Serum. This is the star of the show, in my opinion. And this is what made me fall in love with the brand. This is like the new and improved version, though. This is for extreme cases, like extreme shedding. So again, you use this every day. It's not gonna make your hair greasy at all, but you're gonna take 1 dropper full and disperse it through your scalp. You can massage it in and go about your day. You're gonna see results between 90 and 120 days, so like 3 to 4 months. I just wanna be honest and upfront with you. It's not gonna be an overnight thing. If you are consistent with this, up to 93% of people will see an improvement in hair density, and up to 87% of people will see a reduction in hair loss. So again, I'll have them linked down below if you wanna give anything a try. I'm pretty sure almost everything in this video I've never shared before. I've been setting things aside specifically for this video, except this egg cooker. I know I have shared this before. I think it was in my best purchases of 2023 video, and this is still going strong. I still use this almost every single day. It is the best. It's so inexpensive. You need an egg cooker, but the reason I am putting it in my obsessions video is because I now have a new snack that I'm obsessed with. And it's so healthy, it's so easy. You're gonna love it if you like eggs. So we'll just start with like this instantly hard boils eggs, and you can do soft, medium, hard. It comes with other things, like you can poach eggs, you can make little omelets, like you can do so many different things, but I only use it for hard boiling or medium boiling my eggs. But here's my snack, okay? So you do this, you do however many eggs you want. It's like done in 5-6 minutes. And then you peel the eggs, cut them in half, and it's kind of like a fancy little deviled egg situation, but it's so simple and easy. So these are the ingredients that I use. And like, you can think outside of the box and use completely other things to fancy it all up. But I use this Primal Kitchen, it's like a chicken sauce. I know that sounds weird, but it's just like a really good sauce. It's so healthy, no seed oils, barely, like no sugar. I also then put a little dollop of relish, and then I chop up some black olives, and then I really make things fancy with a little bit of chopped parsley. I just buy the dried kind. It adds some pizzazz. It's like a necessary ingredient, but you could totally skip it. It just does look good though. And I sprinkled that on, and it is such a healthy, filling, delicious treat. I've made it a lot of different ways, but this is just my favorite way to make it. So anyway, you should get an egg cooker. Like, you'll use it way more than you think. Speaking of eggs though, I wasn't planning on talking about this next, but it's a good transition. So these are tiny whisks, 3 tiny whisks for under $10. I've always wanted like the tiny whisks. I watched the YouTube channel Binging with Babish, and he's always using his tiny whisk. He even has a tattoo on his arm of a tiny whisk. Like, that's how important this utensil is to him in the kitchen. Fast forward to actually have a friend who he's just been through a rough time. He was diagnosed with really bad illness. He almost died. He's like trying to, start over. And anyway, he started an Amazon store where he's selling different things, and he's selling these tiny whisks. So I ordered these myself, and I love them. I just wanted to shout him out. Like, if you are intrigued by this, I really think they are good. They're small and tiny, and they're lightweight. They're not gonna rust. Like, you'll be able to use them. You're gonna pick them in your drawer of utensils over other things that are heavy and annoying. These are easy to clean. And I guess I just wanted to promote his item because I really like it. And he was like, oh, I can pay you. And I'm like, no, I don't want money. I just want to help him. And I genuinely really like these. I know it's like a weird thing, but like, I've had them in my drawer, and now I'm always reaching for them for various things. Okay, so up next we have a reverse coloring book. Now hear me out. A lot of you right now are probably thinking,
I don't even know what that is, but I don't think I would like it or use it.
You might be wrong. You don't need to have any artistic ability to do this or enjoy it and have things actually look really good. It's like shocking. So if you open the book, there's beautiful, beautiful photos. They almost look like watercolors. And then you get a marker of your choice. I really do like the finer print markers, but you could also do like a big Sharpie if you want. And all you do is create the lines. And I like to just kind of outline the different colors, and there's no messing up. And you might be like, oh, I'll mess up. No, I'm telling you guys, you don't mess it up. It looks so good in the end. So here's just some examples of recent ones that I've done. I especially love the finer print with like the sunflower one. Like it just looked like I just literally outlined the thing, and it just turns into a beautiful photo. And then I'm working on another one where I am kind of doing more detailed work. Like, I'm just kind of doing squiggles and swirls and lines in different ways. And it's just already turning out really, really cool. So if you suffer from like stress or anxiety, or even you just mindless doodling, you would probably love this. Super quick, I don't really do call to actions that often anymore. If you're new, maybe you watch my videos but you haven't subscribed yet, please take 2 seconds and subscribe down below. This next one is gonna be shocking to you guys because I literally just put in a video like a month ago how much I hate thongs. I don't like them, guys. They're so freaking uncomfortable. Well, my assistant Katie put these breathable thongs, they're like seamless breathable thongs, on a list for me to order and try, and I love these, okay? But there's like key things I wanna say about them. So they're from Amazon. I recommend ordering 1 size up. I would say I'm typically a size small. I ordered a medium. That is the key to this not digging into you, feeling horrible. And I think that's really why I don't like thongs. But even so, like, this material, so smooth and stretchy and like extremely stretchy. It's like you're really not wearing anything. And I don't wear these all the time. Like, heck no, I'm not wearing these every day. I'm just saying there's definitely pants or skirts or dresses that I wear where this comes in really handy. Another thing I wanted to say is the lining, like around your actual parts, completely different. It's a cotton section at the bottom down there, you know what I mean? So this is the synthetic seamless material that I really like, and then down here is the cotton. So it's really good. Now this next product I definitely don't use every day either, but when I bust it out, obsessed, shocking, amazing. This is stain cleaning gel. And I also just wanna say, it's probably not super healthy. Like, I'm not saying it's terrible, but there is a slight smell to it. And I'm always trying to recommend like super clean and healthy things for you guys. I use this for like bad stained situations, like in your bathroom, grout, your shower, maybe your refrigerator strip has like things growing. And it's like, even if you scrub super hard, it's not coming off. Some people's washing machines will have like a buildup along the seams. So anyway, I did this in my bathroom. There's a couple spots where no matter how hard I scrubbed, like it was just legit stained. So this, you just put the gel, you squeeze the gel directly on top of it, you leave and come back like an hour or two later and just wipe it off. In this case, I just sprayed it off. I didn't have to scrub whatsoever and it looked brand spanking new. Like it was so impressive to me. So I'm not gonna be using this stuff every single time I clean my shower or anything, but it's amazing to have on hand for just stubborn stains. This next obsession, I think is just a really great product like to have if you're a girl, but I'm also just so impressed by the price. So first let me start with, this is a Shiseido eyelash curler for $25. I've had it for years. It's good. It's really good. I've used it so many times, but this is a $2 Wet n Wild eyelash curler. It feels identical. It's not like this feels cheap and chintzy. It feels the same. I've continued to use this now. It's $2. I don't know, like go in, like just do this step before you put your mascara on, and I have the worst eyelashes and it really just curls them, it lifts them, it makes them much more prominent, and I just can't believe it's $2. Next we have grip sticks. Grip sticks. These are really cool. I was super skeptical and I ordered them and now I just love them. Like I love them. I use them for like everything. So let me just demonstrate it for you. It's a bag sealer. I didn't even tell you that. It's a bag sealer. So you have a bag of chips, oatmeal, coffee, like literally anything. A lot of people have to like crinkle it up and maybe use a clip or whatever. Sometimes it's not really foolproof. Things get stale really quickly. This completely seals your bag of chips. So, and it's so simple. You literally just fold the bag down, slide this on. So simple. Like it's not a gimmicky thing. It's so easy and it truly seals the bag very well so that your food doesn't get stale. Now this might be gimmicky, but I don't care. I'm obsessed with it. It is a sandwich cutter, you know, like the Crustables that are very processed and unhealthy for you, but man, I really liked those when I don't even know when I ate those. I think I might have even been like in college, but I love this thing. Now I, in the past, did buy the stamp ones. It's like plastic pieces. Like you can create the Crustable thing with those, but it's like all these pieces that go together. It was annoying to keep in my cabinet. Then I found this, which all one piece. And the reason I love this so much is because I like to use Ezekiel bread. So you get it in the frozen section. There's no preservatives. It's literally the recipe in the Bible or from the Bible. It is such a healthy bread. Even people that have celiacs can actually eat the bread, which I'm not saying like maybe you'll still have reaction to it, but it's just a healthy bread. Anyway, the crust is kind of hard. And even with my teeth and whatnot, like I just love using this. Like I use it way more than the kids for sandwiches, but you just put the bread on there. I like to do my peanut butter. Oh, and then I'm so weird about not having sugar. I will take a like strawberry or blueberries or raspberries and like push down, there was a word, like tamp down, whatever. I like crush the fruit and then kind of get rid of the excess water and then literally put that on top of the peanut butter as my jelly, like a healthy no sugar jelly. Put the bread on top, stamp this down, and you instantly have a homemade Crustable. Kids will love it, absolutely. Get this for your kids. But I'd be lying if I said like I use it more. I'd be lying if I didn't use it more, because I use it all the time. So this video is in fact not all product recommendations. I have a show recommendation for you because I am obsessed with it. I mean, I'm finished watching it now, but I rarely recommend shows, but when I get a good one, I tell you guys about it. So if you have Netflix, you absolutely need to watch the show Nobody Wants This. Oh my gosh, so good. Almost everyone loves it. Like truly, like this is a show that if you go into it, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. It stars Adam Brody and Kristen Bell, and the chemistry, the love, like the whole thing is just like so good. But it's also funny, but like in a good way. A lot of times I don't like comedies because it's just borderline stupid and it's just like, okay, like that would never happen, like whatever. This, like the story is just like so good. It's funny and entertaining, but like again, the love and chemistry is truly there. The ending is good too, like really good. I can't stand like putting a whole thing into the show and then someone dies. You know what I mean? You will feel satisfied at the end, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a season 2, but it doesn't leave you on a crazy cliffhanger either. Anyway, you should check it out. This video is so freaking random. Next we have toothpaste squeezer holder thingies. And I almost wanted to save these for a life-changing video because they are life-changing in my opinion. However, I'm also obsessed with them, so here we are. When you have a tube of toothpaste, at the beginning it's like easy and fun, but then as you start to use the toothpaste, it gets really annoying to get the toothpaste out, and this, you just put the end in, you stick the end in, and then you just crank it, and it pushes all of the toothpaste up to the top, and then you can also sit the thing on your bathroom counter so that it stands upright. I know, it sounds dumb, it's not. I love it every day. I love it every day, and I ordered more so that other people in my family can enjoy it as well. So next I got new dinnerware. and this is expensive. So I'm not saying you definitely should buy this or you need this or anything like that. Like, this was a splurge for sure. It's by the brand Fable, and it's all ceramic, handmade in Portugal. But the thing is, I've had the same cheap Corelle, whatever. Josh and I have just been saying, like, we need to get something else new. And this is so beautiful. It's really healthy. I know I'm weird. It comes in a lot of colors. But anyway, it is dishwasher and microwave and oven safe up to 450 degrees. It's actually really lightweight, like super lightweight. Like, I thought this would be heavy, but then my friend bought it and I was at her house and I was like,
Oh my gosh, like this has been what I've been wanting.
and I just was so impressed with it at her house, so I ordered it for me. Now, the reason I also want to put in this video is they're now on Amazon, and they didn't used to be on Amazon. I'll link them from Amazon if you want to give it a try, just because I feel like that's easier shipping and returning. They have different sets and bundles and whatnot, and like I said, different colors. I went with the white speckled, and it's just beautiful. So that's the video, guys. Don't forget about Vegamour. If you want to completely transform your hair, then I will have them linked down below along with everything else in the description box and pinned in the top comment. My code for them is Shea for 20% off site-wide. But I hope you found this video interesting and semi-enjoyable, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.